Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for laptops under the microscope. And we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one to keep your laptop safe and speedy. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for laptops? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your sensitive data stays safe from snoopers, whether you're on public Wi-Fi or working remotely. They all include a kill switch that instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never accidentally expose your laptop's IP address. Plus, they've each had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't collect or track your browsing activity on your laptop. But the difference is, that's what really matters when it comes to VPNs for laptops. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for laptops because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data gets wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy on laptops that travel between networks. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could infect your laptop with malware or trackers, even when your VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called Meshnet, letting you connect your laptop securely with friends or family on other devices, as if you're all on the same private network. The one small downside, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect your laptop, phone, and tablet all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy laptop user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than just a promise, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for your laptop. And for laptops dealing with lag or unstable Wi-Fi, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy to optimize speed and reduce lag. This helps route your traffic more efficiently for better streaming or downloads. Just keep in mind, you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that speed boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for your laptop? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. That means faster downloads, smoother streaming, and less waiting around. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance varies depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose for your laptop? Here's a simple guide. Pick NordVPN if speed and advanced security are your top priorities, or if you switch between networks a lot and want the smoothest experience. Go with IPVanish if you've got tons of devices. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, choose PIA if you want open source transparency and proven privacy on a budget. And that's it, we're all out of time. So if this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you use on your laptop. See you soon.